Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be trying out cassia powder known as the colorless henna. It can be used as a henna treatment. It provides the same benefits as the regular henna without coloring the hair. Something better about the cassia powder is that it contains 0 proteins. It is also used as a preventive hair treatment and it strengthens the hair, thickens and also conditions the hair very well. Because I needed enough for the treatment, I preferred using the whole package because who wants to run out of the treatment in the middle of the application? I mean, no one wants that. So when it comes in the making of the process, I will highly recommend you using warm water. It's literally the best when it comes to combining the powder and the water. If you want to use the best hair treatment without actually using the real henna, I will highly recommend you trying out cassia powder. It makes the hair look and appear thicker, voluminous and shiny for weeks when used properly. So once you're done making the combination, let it sit for 2 hours and it's ready for application. 2 hours down the drain and this is the consistency you'll be having. Look how well the cassia powder are literally combined with the warm water, and this is what we need for the application process. Hi guys, it's now application time and I won't lie to you guys when I tell you the smell that I was getting from the cassia powder mixture. It isn't even pleasing at all, but what can we say? Or there's nothing we can do about it. We just need the benefits into our hair. Now that my hair is perfectly detangled, and I believe you all can tell that my hair is literally short right now, I won't lie to you guys, I trimmed my hair unprofessionally and I low-key regret, but there's nothing I can do about it. I just move on. We're literally trying to grow our hair this year and let's try all we can to make our hair grow longer before the year ends. And for that case, subscribe to the channel if you're new. We grow together in terms of hair length and also together as a family when it comes to the subscribers. So subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you. I would literally advise you guys to do this in smaller sections. I had to go in large sections because of the smell and the rush, but I advise you to do it in smaller sections. Don't do as I did because it's better that way. The best thing about the cassia powder mixture is that once it touches the hair, it doesn't drip out. It sticks into the hair perfectly. That's the good thing I found out about that. Not only does the cassia powder strengthen your hair, it also defines your curls and prevents breakage, also thickens your hair strands, leaves you dandruff free and gives you a nice shiny and glossy hair. Like, look at that, how defined my curls became. And we're just in the beginning of the application. There are many ways you can use the cassia powder. You can use it as a cassia tea, also as a cassia gloss, and also as a cassia paste. For today's video, we're using it as a cassia paste, also known as the cassia treatment or henna treatment. Yeah. You can just tell how much I was feeling myself when I saw how defined my curls were. Like, oh, slay it, girl. But yeah, at this point I can say I was enjoying the application process, and I can't wait to just show you guys the after results that I got from this. The amount of joy that I had after the application process is unbelievable. Finally, I was done with the application process. Like, it was literally time consuming. Once you have reached this, you just need to do a little victorious dance and all, like feel yourself like, yes, I did it. I finished the application process. At this point, you can see how perfectly defined my curls are, and I haven't let the treatment sit for about 2 hours, and this is how it's given. So I'll just be using a shower cap to cover up my hair for 2 hours straight, and I'll let it sit in my hair, and yeah, I'll see you guys in 2 hours. Two hours down the drain, and it's now time for the revealing process. Just look how perfectly my curls are, so perfectly defined. I could literally feel like my hair had increased in volume for some reason, I can't lie. And it just felt a bit harder, like it had gained some strength or something. This mask is literally the best. It feels good in my hair right now. So for the washing process, I just had to dip my whole hair in the basin just to get rid of the treatment easily without dirtifying the bathroom and all. And yeah, I had to do this a lot of rounds, I won't lie, but it was literally worth it. So once you successfully manage to get rid of all the treatment out of your hair, I wouldn't advise you to use shampoo afterwards because it will literally dry out your hair. I would highly advise you to just go direct in with the conditioner, rinse it off, get your leave-in, and that's that, baby, you're good to go. So here's me using my conditioner. As always, I use vertical hair conditioner. It's the best for my hair type. And I'll get into the application and the detangling process. Once I'm done with the application, I'll let the conditioner sit in my hair for about 15 minutes, then I rinse it off perfectly. And there I have it, nice, clean, densed up hair after using the henna treatment. It was the longest I could have ever tried, but it was worth it. This literally took me a whole day, from the making to the application and to the finalizing of the application and rinsing it off. But it's literally worth it. Please make sure you try this out when you're sure you literally have a settled mindset. Don't do this when you're in a rush. Just do this just to pass time, when you're having a nice relaxed weekend. I would highly recommend you doing this. And this is my hair after oil application. So it's now the next day after undoing the braids, and look at that. Wow. It's like my hair literally doubled in size for some reason. Look at all the layers I was having, the density. I could literally feel the difference in my hair texture. It felt thicker, stronger, and soft for some reason. And also the shine. The camera isn't doing it justice, but I believe you can see the shine in my hair. Oh my god, I was literally enjoying this. Will I ever think of trying this treatment out? Probably yes. I will highly advise you using it at least after every 2 weeks, but if you use it wrongly, it can dry out your hair. So I will advise you try it out once per month. That's the best way you can use this treatment out. So thank you so much for taking your time in watching my video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.